Today we're filming something really special. We're back in my grandma's kitchen and she's gonna show us how to make one of our family's absolute favorites, pampoen cookies. For those who don't know, pampoen cookies are traditional South African pumpkin fritters. The name literally translates to little pumpkin cakes. These delicious sweet fritters are crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. And trust me, they never last long. Pampoen cookies have deep roots in South African cuisine, with influences that date back to early Dutch settlers. While it's tough to trace the exact origin, they've become a beloved dish across generations, often served with a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar or even as a side dish with a savory meal. In many South African homes, you'll find pampoen cookies served as a comforting addition to a Sunday lunch with roast chicken and veggies. Whenever anyone comes to visit my grandma, this is one of the first things they ask for. And if my uncle stays the night, you can bet the next morning a few pampoen cookies have mysteriously disappeared from the fridge. So today, I'm super excited for my grandma to share her recipe with all of you. It's a taste of tradition, a little bit of history, and a whole lot of love. Let's get started.